Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Today I'm making a baked version of one of the most popular recipes on our website. This is my honey garlic chicken. It's sweet, savoury and super easy to make, and it can be ready in under 30 minutes. We're also making this honey garlic chicken in little bite-sized pieces too. I'm also going to share some instructions in the comments below for making this in your air fryer if you prefer. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 190C or 375F. To a medium-sized bowl, add 3 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch in the US, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and paprika, and mix it together. Now I'm going to add in 8 skinless chicken thigh fillets that have been chopped into bite-sized pieces. Mix it all together so the corn flour mixture thoroughly coats each piece of chicken. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of oil over the chicken and mix it all up. You want to completely coat it with the chicken pieces looking well coated and a little bit sticky. We're going to place the chicken pieces onto 2 medium-sized baking dishes. The sides need to be at least 1 inch high. We want to place them in a single layer without crowding the chicken. The more room it's got, the more crispy it'll get. Now place those trays in the oven and cook for 15 minutes until the chicken is crisped up. So they go in the oven for 15 minutes, and don't forget I'll leave some information in the description below on how to do this in your air fryer. So while that's cooking, we're going to get on with the sauce. Into a jug, add a tablespoon each of rice vinegar and light soy sauce, plus a teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch in the US, and mix it together until the corn flour is completely mixed in. Now add 80 ml or 1/3 cup of chicken stock, a tablespoon of unsalted butter, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and 110 grams, which is about 1/3 cup of honey, and mix it all together. Remove the chicken from the oven. It should be nice and crispy now, and we're going to transfer the chicken onto 1 tray. And we're going to pour the sauce we made earlier into the tray around the chicken. Don't pour it directly on the chicken, as that can lose some of its crispiness. Place it back in the oven and cook for a further 10 to 12 minutes until that sauce is thick and bubbly. Remove the tray from the oven and stir the chicken into the sauce so that the sauce coats the chicken, and we're ready to serve. I like to serve mine with some egg fried rice and a sprinkling of chopped spring onions and chilli flakes. And that's my easy baked honey garlic chicken. If you wanted to check out the original pan fried version, you can find it here. And why not serve it with some egg fried rice, which you can find here. See you over there.